Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about some amazing tech gadgets that can turn your day upside down. Technology has come a long way in recent years, and we now have access to some truly amazing gadgets that can make our lives easier, more productive, and more fun. From smart homes to wearable technology, we'll be covering it all. So, let's dive in. Smart home. First up, let's talk about smart homes. If you're someone who loves to have everything in their control, then a smart home is just what you need. With devices like smart thermostats, smart locks, and smart lights, you can control everything in your home with just a few clicks on your smartphone. For example, you can set the temperature of your home to a comfortable level before you even arrive, turn off the lights in your living room while you're in bed, and even lock your doors from anywhere in the world. Smart homes not only make your life easier, but they also make your home more secure and energy efficient. Wearable technology. Next up, let's talk about wearable technology. If you're someone who loves to stay fit and healthy, then a smartwatch or a fitness tracker is just what you need. With these gadgets, you can keep track of your daily activities, monitor your heart rate, and even track your sleep. You can set goals for yourself and keep a track of your progress. Plus, many smartwatches and fitness trackers also come with other features like GPS tracking, music playback, and voice assistance. Virtual reality. Now, let's talk about virtual reality. With VR headsets, you can immerse yourself in a whole new world. From gaming to watching movies, you can experience it all in 3D. It's an experience like no other and can really turn your day around. Imagine being able to explore a new city, visit exotic locations, or even attend a concert or a sporting event, all from the comfort of your home. Virtual reality is a game changer and has the potential to transform the way we learn, work, and play. Last but not least, let's talk about drones. With drones, you can capture stunning aerial footage of your surroundings. It's a great way to explore new places and capture memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're a photographer, a videographer, or just someone who loves to explore, a drone is a must-have gadget. Plus, drones also have many practical applications, such as surveying land, inspecting buildings, and delivering goods. So, there you have it. These are some amazing tech gadgets that can turn your day upside down. From smart homes to wearable technology, virtual reality, and drones, these gadgets can make your life a whole lot easier and more exciting.